preliminaries of the girls. Andyan kasi yung mga favorites. I mean, aminin na natin, andyan yung mga favorites sila. Eliza, sila Michelle, ganyan. Ang daming favorites. Tapos, I remember, kasi I have a, like, I talk pageant to my close friends. And I remember messaging one of my really good friends, si Attorney PY. Sabi ko sa kanya, si Iloilo, attorney, parang okay siya. Sabi ko kung gano'n sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya, talaga? Tapos sabi ko, oo, ganyan. Tapos parang, yun nga, a few days later, she won. Tapos parang sabi ko, binalikan ko siya, sabi ko, alam mo na, iba iba yung dating niya iba siya, Mars, gumanon ako. So parang, ako, I think it's an advantage for her that she won and competed at this challenging time during the pandemic. Kasi we don't know how Miss Universe is gonna be, whether it's gonna be very strict, walang audience na naman, baka maging same siya or similar siya to Miss Universe Philippines, but at least she was able to compete already with those challenges, diba? And I think that she has a good team guiding her. Everybody in the Philippines is willing to help anyway with the Q&A, with the walk, with the styling, with the makeup, ganyan. Like, nung year ko, medyo sariling sikap ako kami. Nung batch namin, mga 5-6 years ago, medyo sariling sikap kasi wala pang winners. But now, like, all eyes on us and everybody's willing to help. So, I know that she's getting all the help she can get. And you can also tell that she really wants it. Iba kasi yun Importante kasi yung G3. Like, parang hindi ka dapat na pilitan lang dyan sa position na yan. You also have to be ready with the responsibilities and really want it. And I can see it in her. And she answers well, which is she's very smart. And it's also very important for Miss Universe nowadays. Kasi they go through these so many rounds of question and answer. And ang ganda din niya. Yeah, so I'm really excited. I message her from time to time, although I don't want to overwhelm her with like advice.